B2B LinkedIn content marketing, or how to get B2B clients from LinkedIn. You know, with about 800 million active users on the platform, LinkedIn is a great place to get B2B clients because your clients are there. They're on LinkedIn and they're actively seeking the solution that you offer. What's up, everybody? It's Prouty, and for the last 23 years, I have had thousands of paying clients come to me to help them wildly grow their businesses. These are people who can impact lives and simply want to profit doing something that they love. So I help them do that, but not in a way like you might think. You're here watching this video to learn how to get new clients into your business. I create training like this every single week. If you'd like to jump the line and get this training before anyone else, now is the time to subscribe to this channel. So here are 3 ways you can use LinkedIn to get B2B clients. The first tip I'm going to give you is to optimize your LinkedIn company page. You'd be surprised how few businesses create a LinkedIn company page, but when your B2B prospects are looking at you to determine if you're an expert, if you have authority and they can trust you with your service, they're going to look for a company page. So it would be in your best interest to rapidly develop a company page and optimize it to showcase exactly what you can do for your clients. The next strategy that I'm going to give you is to create the most valuable content that you can possibly create for your audience. This means educational content that's going to teach them about the transformation that awaits in working with you. Now, I know we're talking about B2B, but ultimately you're not selling to a business. You're not selling to a building that is sitting somewhere on a street. You're selling to another human, and that human is on LinkedIn and they're looking to be educated. So creating the most valuable content that you can create that's going to educate your prospect is going to do amazing things for your B2B client acquisition on the LinkedIn platform. And once you start to get some traction on LinkedIn, attracting clients to you organically, it's time to explore LinkedIn paid ads. LinkedIn has an entire paid ad ecosystem, and you can use that ecosystem to take your content and reach an even wider audience. The targeting on LinkedIn is incredibly precise. Now, I will say this, LinkedIn ads tend to be the most expensive ads that we see across all advertising platforms, but that's for a reason. It's because you can get so granular and so targeted with your audience. So once you start to get that organic traction, let's expand your audience and let's expand your reach and your brand recognition through LinkedIn paid ads. And I'd like to give you a tip that you can use today to start getting more B2B clients from LinkedIn. But before I get to that, if any of this has resonated with you, you're going to love this on-demand class that I created. If you go to proutyclass.com, Prouty's my last name, class is what I'm giving, and .com keeps me online. If you go to proutyclass.com, you can instantly start watching an on-demand class on how to get more clients from LinkedIn. Okay, so I was talking about the biggest tip that I can give you, and it's a very simple one actually. It's to pay for a LinkedIn membership. Pay for at least the premium version of LinkedIn. You're going to get much more access to some of the LinkedIn features when you do that. You'll get better searches, more searches available to you for searching for those perfect prospects than you'll get in the free version. A lot of people ask me if they need LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I'm not exactly sure for you and for your case because you have a unique situation, but I would recommend at least getting the premium. Getting that first level is going to do a world of good for you in your B2B marketing. And while what I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing you need right now. YouTube thinks this video is going to help you, so you should probably check that out. But before you do, click on my face so that you get first access to every new training I create.